really deep leaves, deeper than the mower. And it's just not even slowing down.
Here we go. Bye, guys. Whee! Holy crap, this thing's fast. I'm out of here. They said they don't have a riding mower, but they do.
Side-by-side comparison of the Ryobi versus the Milwaukee. Everybody says this is the same damn thing. What do you think? You're the one that owns the Ryobi.
The Ryobi's a nice little mower.
Yeah? What's up with that guy?
13-inch.
Can you pick this one up?
Yes.
You can? Let me see you pick it up. Because everybody says they're the same thing. So if you can pick that up.
A bigger Ryobi. This is a little Ryobi.
No. The guy I saw, he was comparing it to that one. Oh, yeah.
This is a 13-inch Ryobi.
Yeah. Can you pick that up?
No.
Just try to. From the back handle. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, okay. Is yours self-propelled?
No.
Oh.
You have to push it.
How hard is it to adjust yours? See, I can go from low to high in one click. How can you do that? Can you do that? You can, can't you?
Well, I don't remember. Yeah, well, I have to pull that out. And then I don't know.
Doesn't.
I don't know.
All right, well, let's see side-by-side comparison how they mow. You go first.
Okay.
And you just make you a strip right through there, and then I'm going to see how mine does. How long that took a while to spin up. Yeah, hit that spot right there. Oh, no. Go. What it stopped for? Okay, I mean, that's good. Let me see if I can mow that. Here. Just leave it there. Actually, I'll move your Ryobi here. Here. I'll move the Ryobi. You take the film down. And now we'll see how the Milwaukee does. What killed the Ryobi? I mean, the Ryobi's got a good little... It's all plastic. Unlike the... This must have been why that guy was saying they were all plastic, because the Ryobi is.
It's a nice little mower.
I mean, really, it is. It's
a little woman that can't lift much, and
you don't have to do much. Yeah.
around your flower beds.
Okay.
Excellent. I love my little Ryobi.
Hey, this is not a Milwaukee. I mean, a Ryobi. Let's see how this one goes.
Here's the big boy toy. As you can see, it's going through.
I'm not going to continue to put this because I don't want my leaves to go everywhere. That's pretty impressive. Are we even down a battery yet? Nope. Still fully charged. After riding it around earlier. All right, now let's actually start bagging some leaves. So the handle and everything on this is plastic. Dude, I'll sell you this magnet that sticks to plastic. I promise. I'll sell it right now. They don't make I mean, this is the best magnet. See, I don't know what that is. It's not plastic by any means. That's metal, 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 metal. Huh. Where's all this plastic? Oh, you mean the plastic that covers the metal? Oh, okay.